Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is all about extensions, how to make your extensions icons visible on your Google Chrome. Up here, as you can see, these are my extensions. So if you want to make them visible, as you can see here, there is a way to do that, and I will show you how to do just that. Something actually prompted me to make this video. I was going through some videos on YouTube, then I came across this particular video. Then one of those people that commented on that video added an extension to his Google Chrome, to his browser, but he was not able to locate that extension, to locate the icon of that extension. I was like, okay, I'm going to make this video in order to, help some people out there who might be, struggling to get this job done. So have a look up here. You will see some of the extensions that I added to this browser. This is Google Chrome. These are some of the extensions I added to this browser. This particular one is called React Developer Tools. I am a software engineer. I use this particular one to check if a website is built with React. Let's go for, if a website is built with React, it will change, the color will change. So let's go for this particular website. The color did not change because this website is not built with React. So let's go for WhatsApp Web. Let's see, you can see the color changed, telling you that WhatsApp Web is built with React. If I go for Facebook, that is for sure, it will show, because Facebook, they actually created React. Let me go for that and you will see. Let me get out of this place. Go for it. You can see the color changed because Facebook actually created React. So let me show you how you can make your your extensions icons visible here. I will show you how to do just that. But before then, I have a message. Here is my request for you. I am in a race to 1 million subscribers, and right now I am far behind. If you think that this video is of good help or is of help, please kindly click on this red subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel to support me in this race. And again, you will see a notification bell behind this subscription button. Click on that notification bell. Click on the all so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So thank you for your support in advance, and God bless. So here, as you can see, go for this icon. It is called extensions. This icon is called extensions. Go click that. Then you can see all the extensions I added to this browser. So let's look for one so that we can make it visible up here. If you go for, let's say, social video downloader, as you can see, look at the icon here. This downward arrow is not visible here. So to make it visible, just go here and click pin. As you can see, automatically it was added. I can see the icon now. So if you don't want to make it visible, what you should do is to go here, go back there again, unpin it. Click unpin. It is gone. But what about if you decide not to make use of this extension any longer? Let's say I don't want to make use of this social video downloader any longer. If you want to delete it from your browser, it is very simple, and I will show you how to do that here. So what you should do, you can see these three dots here. Just go click on that three dots, and then you can see remove from Chrome. Click on it, then click on remove. You can see the message. Sorry to see you go. Hope to see you soon again. So successfully removed from my browser. So if I go back there to check, here we don't see that social video download any longer. If you scroll down, it's no longer here. So this is how to remove any extension from your Google Chrome. So in this video, I covered two things. One thing is how to add extensions icons, like how to make them visible on your browser, your Google Chrome browser, so that you can see them up here. The second is how to remove them from your browser. And I equally showed you how to remove any extension from here, up here. How to unpin that extension so that the icon does not show here. I showed you how to do that as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you, and God bless.